Hi everybody, it's Strawberry, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my 2021 January bookish box. Okay, let me just preface by saying this is my first book subscription box ever. I've never done one before. I've been wanting to do one, but a lot of them have wait lists and stuff like this, which I did get on the wait list for this, but I'm not like part of the subscription box, if that makes sense. Like I bought this box like separately, if that makes sense. So I just bought the January young adult box. It is themed love triangles, I believe. So there's a book in here and some goodies. I did not do the one that they have with a t-shirt. I might do that one someday. But I just decided to start off with the little bit smaller one just to see, because I've never done it before and I'm really excited to open it. So yeah, it just came today and I was like, it's like really late at night and I need to go to bed for work tomorrow, but I really want to open this. So here we are. So yeah, this is the one for January 2021 and I just bought it like on its own. And yeah, this is the bookish box. They have a lot of cool things on their shop. I haven't bought anything else yet because I'm currently kind of trying to save some money because I'm moving. But, oh, there's some mess in here. Okay, this, I'm guessing, is the book. Okay, it's in this cute little felt pouch. What else is in here? Ooh, a bookmark. Oh, is this Rhysand from A Court of Thorns and Roses? Is that who that's supposed to be? Who are you? I feel like, I don't know. I feel like that might be who it's supposed to be. Okay, what do we have here? This is cute. It's like, wait, is this like a wallet? What the heck? This is nice. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. This is so cool. Okay, so it's from the A Court of Thorns and Roses series, which is like one of my favorite series. Sarah J. Maas is my favorite author. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna read it. This is cool. I'm for real gonna switch out my wallet literally tonight. It says, "Welcome to my home," Rhysand said. A city, a world lay out there. Morning sunlight streamed through the windows, lining the front of the townhouse. The ornately carved wood door before me was inset with fogged glass that peeked into a small antechamber, and the actual front door beyond it shut and solid against whatever city lurked beyond. And the thought of setting foot out into it, into the leering crowds, seeing the destruction Amarantha had likely wreaked upon them, a heavy weight pressed into my chest. I had dredged... Okay, I can't read that part. Blah, blah, blah. Now, hadn't given an ounce of room to consider that this might be a mistake. But what is this place? Rhysand leaned a broad shoulder against the carved oak threshold that led into the sitting room and crossed his arms. This is my house. Well, I have two homes in the city. One is more for official business, but this one is only for me and my family. Cool. I really wasn't expecting anything like this. I thought it would just be like little tiny knickknacks. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Oh, I think this is like, okay, this says what it is, so I'm not gonna look at that because I want to be surprised first. Okay, what's this? Is this a candle? Wow, is this like all... I can already see that it says Rhys. Ooh, I can already smell it. It smells good. Yes, it says Rhysand, Shameless Flirt. Cool. I've been looking at their candles. Ooh, that smells good. That smells so good. This is nice. Okay, what is there anything else in it? Oh yeah. What's this? So this is different. It's like, what is it? What is it? A spoon. Okay. It's just decorative spoon. What does this say? So this is amazing. Now, to them and to myself, it was like I had been born to be a vampire. The idea made me want to, oh, it's Twilight, right? Want to laugh, but it also made me want to sing. I had found my true place in the world. The place I fit, the place I shined. Oh, okay. Is it like supposed to be like Breaking Dawn? You know, like the chess piece? That makes sense. That's kind of cool. So just a decorative spoon, I guess. Interesting. Okay. Okay. What else do we have? Ooh. What's this? The Raven Boys. Oh, there's something. Hunger Games too. What does it say? I love the Raven Boys. She wasn't interested in telling other people's future. She was interested in going out and finding her own. Cool. That's really pretty. That's neat. And then what's this? Ooh, that's gorgeous. The monthly pen. Hope is the only thing stronger than fear. The Hunger Games. I collect enamel pens. I guess it says the monthly pen. There must always be a pen. I didn't know that. This is my first one. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna look at this now to make sure I got everything. What's that? A monthly polite list? That's cool. I definitely want to check that out. Cool. Okay, so yeah. I didn't get the shirt. So I got the necklace with the Raven cycle. I got the wallet, which is beautiful. A Court of Mist and Fury. I did not get the shirt, which it says it's a quote from Wuthering Heights, which is probably good that I didn't get it because I haven't read that. Okay. A print? I didn't get that either. Is that, maybe that's not in this one? Or maybe, yeah, I don't see a print. So that just must not be the one. Oh, or is that, no, okay. I just must not have got that one. Okay, and then I got the enamel pen, the Twilight spoon. This spoon is perfect for sugaring up your tea before you sip and read. Okay, well, when you put it that way, yeah, that seems cool. I do like tea, so, okay. Candle, we've bundled up Rhysand's flirtatious nature in this month's candle with scents of spiced honey and bergamot. Bergamot? I don't know. That smells so good. I like that it tells you who like did the artwork and stuff too. Featuring Rhysand, the High Lord. So it is. Okay. I knew it. I knew my man when I see him. With artwork by Nicole. Why can I not talk? That's literally my middle name. By Nicole Deal. This is the first of our new collectible candle and bookmark series. Oh, so they go together. That's cool. Signed. Oh, yeah. Okay. I got so excited about this stuff and I forgot to open the book. Okay. Oh, the print's in here. Ooh, it's Twilight. Hey, bookish friends. I'm so excited to bring you this bookish box exclusive version of Unchosen by Catherine Blair. I've always been a huge fan of fantasy books that include a chosen one, someone destined for greatness. What really drew me to this book is the premise of a main character who isn't a chosen one in the sense that we are used to, but works to crave her own path. We worked with Catherine to create this gorgeous exclusive cover and reversible dust jacket. The title lettering color was changed from blue to purple. Perfect. Purple's my favorite color. I know we have a deep love of displaying our books, so it was important to us to work with artist Lithian art. Wait, maybe it says it on here. Elithian art. So Elithienart. Elithian art. To create this breathtaking reversible dust jacket with matching custom end papers. To not only share this amazing book with you, but to create a book that feels like a piece of artwork in your hands. Love that. Along with the reversible dust jacket and end papers, this book is signed with custom artwork inside the book. We worked hard to bring you this exclusive version of this amazing title and hope you love it just as much as we do. Stay bookish, Dana Snyder, box curator. Cool. This is pretty. So I have obviously read Twilight. I'm not like super into it, but that's really pretty. I used to be, you know. This is gorgeous. I actually don't really know that much about this. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this must be like the original book cover. They just like sort of changed it up. And then the inside is, you know, special one. That's really pretty. I think I'm definitely going to use that side of it. And it's signed. That's cool. I'm excited. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I have no idea what it means because I haven't read this book and I don't really know anything about it. But that is so pretty. Okay, let's read the little excerpt. For Charlotte Holloway, the world ended twice. The first was when her childhood crush Dean fell in love with her older sister. Yikes. The second was when the crimson, a curse spread through eye contact, turned the majority of humanity into flesh-eating monsters. Neither end of the world changed Charlotte. She's still in the shadows of her siblings. Her popular older sister, Harlow, now commands forces of survivors, and her talented younger sister, Vanessa, is the chosen one, who, legend has it, can end the curse. When their settlement is raided by those seeking the chosen one, Charlotte makes a reckless decision to save Vanessa. She takes her place as prisoner. The world spreads across the 7 seas. The chosen one has been found. But when Dean's life is threatened and a resistance looms on the horizon, the lie keeping Charlotte alive begins to unravel. She'll have to break free, forge new bonds, and choose her own destiny if she has any hope of saving her sisters, her love, and maybe even the world. Catherine Blair crafts a fiercely feminist fantasy, with independence, identity, and choice, because sometimes the end is just a new beginning. Cool, I'm excited to read this. Maybe I'll read this next. I'm currently reading the Inheritance Games, and it's like a pretty quick read. So maybe I'll read this one next before I pack all of my books. Okay, this was really exciting. This is cute. And it came in this little, I don't know what I'm going to do with this now, but it's cute. Okay, this is really fun. Okay, so I actually, this was very assuming of me, but I actually already ordered the February one as well. I guess I just assumed that I was going to like it. And I'm glad that I did, because I think that, this was really fun. This was so fun to open. And I have read all of these books, which is cool, because I wasn't sure, you know, I was like, oh, what if I get books that I haven't read? And then it's like, oh, wow, cool. But I've read all of these. So that's exciting. Yay, this was so fun. I want to open another one now. Okay, so I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me open this and just be like a goober about it, because this is exciting and I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't really watch any, like I thought about watching some old unboxings of these just so I would kind of see what to expect, but I don't know. I just wanted to be more surprised. So I like started to watch one and then I was like, I'm just going to wait. And I'm kind of glad that I did, because this was really fun. I'm really excited about this wallet. Like, I'm going to use it, like, literally, as soon as I finish filming, I'm gonna use this. And this smells amazing. Although I'm like, do I want to use it? Because I don't want to use it up. But also, I mean, even if I burn the candle, I can keep, like, this forever. So, yeah, I'm excited. Like I said, I'm moving, so I've been packing stuff, and I don't move until March. So now I'm like, oh, I want to put this on my pin board, but I already packed my pin board. And like, oh, I want to put this on my new bookshelf that I have, but it isn't built yet. Like, oh, this was fun. Okay, sorry, I'm rambling now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I ordered the February one, so I will be unboxing that one when it comes as well. This is a lot of fun. I'm having fun doing like bookish content as well. I don't know, I mean, people seem to like my book or my reading journal setup, but I don't know if those of you that already subscribed to me, I'm not going to stop doing K-pop stuff, obviously. That's like one of my biggest passions. But this is also a really big passion for me. So it's really fun to be able to kind of open up and do some other things on this channel as well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Like I said, I will be unboxing the February one when it comes next month. So keep a lookout for that. Turn on the notification so you don't miss it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!